Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you an easy cilantro, lime, shrimp, and avocado salad. And now let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first ingredient you will need is pre-cooked shrimp. The second ingredient you will need is 1 avocado. The third ingredient you will need is some cherry tomatoes. Also, you will need some red onion, and we will need some cilantro. Need 3 lime juice. You will need some salt and black pepper to taste. And now let's mix all these ingredients. It smells really good in here. You can eat this with your favorite chips, or you can eat it just like this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!